I get this nice 3D puzzle, Empire State Building. Really excited. It's only 67 pieces. Open up the box and get started. There's already pieces put together. This is really good. Should be a piece of cake. Should only take a couple minutes. And I'm slowly getting pieces together, trying to put categories by category, and then I'm getting a little bit, and then I start to realize that it finally hits me. There's these pieces that are garbage that aren't part of the puzzle. I put them in the top right hand corner there. You can see this is time lapse pretty fast. But yeah, there's these pieces that look like they're pieces. They're connected to pieces, but they're not. They're garbage. They get the polka dots on them. I don't know if you can quite see there, but and they're in the top right corner. Once I figured that out, puzzle goes really, really fast, and it's kind of cool. I get it set up, get a little view, aerial view there. Yeah, it's a cool puzzle. It'll be hanging up in the house for a little bit of time. Definitely enjoyed putting it together. Thank you for watching.